Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to export videos on CapCut without watermark for free. You don't have to pay any money. And if this does not work, then just don't unsubscribe my YouTube channel, because this is going to work. Whether you are on a laptop, PC or Mac, this will work. And so yeah, let's do it. First of all, what you want to do is open CapCut. After opening CapCut, you'll see something like this, and press on create project, and just select any video you want to edit. So let me select my video. What's that? Okay, I'll select a crazy reaction video and just paste it here. And after this video is pasted, what you want to do is just edit the video, so let me put some effects, like some pro effects, so that you can see this does work. Then put some flash effect, some explosion effect, some cross bits, some flash bar, navigate.
A few minutes later.
So I'm using all the pro features in this video. So okay, let's see let's add another one. This is going to be a lot. So when I try to export it, it looks like this, whenever you try to export the video, it shows the watermark, and when you press on remove, it says to join pro. And of course we don't want to join pro, we don't want to pay money. So how do we export it? So here's the idea. So press Ctrl+A on your keyboard. Ctrl A, and it will select all the file, and right click on the video, and create a compound clip. And after it is done, again press right click, and then pre-process compound clip, and it will take some time. It depends on how long your video is.
A few minutes later.
So yeah, it looks like it is done. And after that, what you want to do is press Windows+R. So when you press Windows+R, you will see the run, and search app data and enter. And after entering it, press on local, then press on CapCut, and then you see user data. Press on it and search for projects. So here we see the project, and go to com.editor.draft, and now go back to our video and look at the name of the file. So here we see our file name is 072 bracket 2. So this is our file, and here again look for resources. Here it is, and go on combination, and there you go. Here you will see the video. Just press Ctrl+C and go on videos, wherever you want to store it, and then press Ctrl+V. And yeah, there we go. This is how we just export the video without watermark. So let me play the video for you all. Okay, as you can see, we successfully exported our video without any watermark. So let me know what kind of videos you guys want next. So yeah, see you guys on the next video.